guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be really exciting because I have a package from my friend here on YouTube and Instagram. Her name is Kaylee Rogue. I'll have everything of hers linked down below, her Instagram, YouTube, everything. I just want to say thank you so much, Kaylee. I know I already told you, but I'm just going to keep on saying it. Thank you so much for sending me this. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I'm just going to get these scissors. And as you can see, I did blur out our addresses. So she did tell me what she was sending me. She said she had an extra or another one of these Valentino Beauty Pure Noodle Yes, I think that's her name, collection. And I've never used this brand before, so okay, so let's see. It has the ingredients on the back, directions, warning, all that. And I have seen this collection all over Instagram. And I do follow Noodle Yes. I do follow her. Oh my god, these are heavy. Ooh. These stickers? These are really cute. Oh. LA. Please don't mind my nails. I know they're looking rough. I'm gonna try and let them grow out a little bit and try and, you know, get rid of all this damaged nail. These ones have been growing, but I broke this one. And these ones are just, I don't want to talk about it, just look at them. You get some stickers. They're really cute. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get 6 different colors. These are really nice bottles. Okay, so I actually really like these bottles. And I like how you can see the swatch of the color at the top. This one looks really pretty. Right, so I'm going to swatch these. I still have a bunch of these swatch sticks, so I'm just going to use these. They look kind of scratched up. I do have my lamp right here. This is 121. Oh my god. It has like that really strong like gel polish smell. Kind of smells like monomer. This one is 131. Ooh. This one's pretty. I noticed that these gel polishes have a very low viscosity. They're very runny compared to like other gel polishes I used. I've never used a gel polish like this. This is 123. Ooh. This one's really pretty. Wow. This one is definitely one of my favorites. That red is just so pretty. It looks like an actual like candy. Next is 126. It's this dark green. Which I'm not like a green person, but this is actually really nice. I like dark greens like this. And this one I know everyone went crazy for because like just look at that. It's like the perfect type of like slime type of neon greenish yellow jelly color. So this is 128. Ooh, it's so bright. Wow. And last is 125, which is this super pretty dark blue. And I'm excited for this one because I really like this color. That's pigmented.